Good evening, students. Dear 10th class, 10th A class, as we already started the lesson number 1, periodic classifications of element before 15 days. So, from today onwards, we are continuing the sections, small sections of that lesson. We already seen Dobereiner's triad, Newland's octave, and we already seen that modern periodic table, which is based on the Henry Moseley's classification. Last part of that section is atomic radius. We are going to see what is atomic radius. So, a measure of the size of an atom, how close it lies to its neighbor, is atomic radius. Half the distance between two adjacent identical atoms, crystals or molecules. The radius for any atom can vary depending upon the substance it's in. Atomic radii. Atomic radii increases down a family or down a column, adding a principal energy level which is larger and more electron internally to shield the valence electrons. Radii decrease across a period. Same principal energy level with the larger positive charge in the nucleus. I can show. You have to write atomic radii, definition from here to here, then radius decreases across the period from here. Atomic radii. Here some question is given and answer also. Which has the largest atomic radius, carbon, fluorine, beryllium or lithium? Answer is given lithium, because it has the same outer energy level as the other, but its nucleus has the smallest positive charge. In the next part, we are going to see what are the ions. You know, there are two types of ion, positive ion and negative ion, cations and anions. From when atom gain or loses electron, means when atom donates electron or take electron, the part which loses electron, it is known as ions. From when atom gain or lose electron is an atom, if it gains electron, it become a negative ion. If an atom loses electron, it can donate electron to somebody other atoms, it become a positive ion. For example, I can here example is not given. If an atom gains an electron, it becomes a negative ion. For example, chlorine. Chlorine is taking the electron, so it becomes chlorine minus. An atom loses electron. So sodium is giving outermost electron, so it become a positive ion, Na plus. These are the two examples for the cation and anion. Positive ion, sodium plus is positive ion, chlorine minus is negative ion. Metals are more likely to be lose electron. Aluminium, sodium, calcium, they are losing the electron, while non-metals are more likely to gain the electrons. Ionic radius, we have to write, all the students, you have to write ionic radius definitions. When an atom form an ion, its radius will always change size. Negative ion become larger due to a greater electrostatic repulsion among the valence electron. Positive ion becomes smaller due to a smaller electrostatic repulsion among the valence electron, and the fact the outer orbital often become an empty of the process. Atomic radii trend. What are the trends in the periodic table? As we move across the period horizontally, the positive ion from the left and the negative ion on the right decreases in size, just like the atomic radii do. But negative ion on the right will always be bigger than the positive ion on the left. You can see the periodic table in the last first chapter, last 2 pages are given like this only. As you move down a group from upper level to down in the column, ionic radii increases, both positive and negative. Here are some questions are given. For which of the following pair predict atom is larger? Magnesium strontium means which is the larger. How each of the following pair predict which atom ion is a larger? And in the next answer is given. For each of the following pair predict which atom is larger. Magnesium strontium, strontium stannous, germanium stannous means the mark in which is mark in red is the correct answer. Now the ionization energy. What is the definition? Here is the definition. The energy required to remove an electron from a gaseous atom. The energy required to remove the first electron is called the first ionization energy, and so forth. Group 1 has a lowest ion energy, while the group 8 they has the highest as you move across the period. Ionization energy, we don't need this section. We don't need this section, ionization energy. So we are closing. Next level, for each of the following pair, this is we will discuss in another topic. Now the octet rule, this is very important. Octet rule is very important for the 9th class also and for the 10th class also. So you have to write down the definitions. Octet rule is given in the book. You can search atom tend to gain, lose or share in order to acquire a full set of 8 electron. 8 is great, but 2 will also do. That means when an atom tends to complete the outermost shell with the 8 electron, the rule is known as the octet rule. For whatever reason fixed, s and p orbital at the energy level is extremely stable. Now electronegativity section is also given there, but in the book it is in the very simple form. Only you have to learn this much. Electronegativity indicates the relative ability of an atom to attract or gain electrons in a chemical bond. So you have to learn or write this much, which I marked with this red pen. This is enough for the 10th class.